Hi, in this video I will show you how Drop Contact works and how to use it. This is an enrichment solution that works exclusively with algorithms and has no nominative databases. I will show you how to connect it, so just log in here and you will arrive on the application. You can see here you can drop a file, so that means that Drop Contact will enrich a contact file you already have with the first name, last name and company website. We accept XLS, CSV and TXT format. I will show you here an example of a file. Before, you have to put an header with first name, last name, website or company name. The website is really the best data to enrich your contacts because it helps our algorithm to identify the right company, so the right email address. So we really recommend to put the website of your contact. And then once you have your file, you can download it in XLS or CSV or TXT format, as I said before. You can drop your file here, then once it's processed, the statue is ready. You can download your file and the result is like this. We can see that Drop Contact added the civility, added the capitalization of the first name and last name. It adds also the job title of your contact, the email address, the LinkedIn profile, the company name, the company legal name, the company phone number, the company website, company LinkedIn profile, and all the legal information about the company. This is the enrichment file. There is also the unique search, so you can search name by name. I do an example from Drop Contact. So here we can see that Drop Contact found the email address, the qualification. We found the standard phone number and the LinkedIn profile. To try the integration, just go on this section and click on your CRM to launch the trial. So we are integrated in Salesforce, Pipedrive, HubSpot and Zoho soon. How it works in your CRM, you just have to link Drop Contact with your API of your CRM. It's really simple, and Drop Contact will enrich all the file of your contacts. You just have to put the first name, last name and company in your CRM, and Drop Contact will create all the contact file and organization file. When Drop Contact is integrated in your CRM, it detects all the duplicates and merges the duplicates of contact or organization. The algorithm works everywhere in the world. There is no geographical limit. It enriches in real time your contacts, so there is no data obsolescence. You can also use Drop Contacts in other tools where we are integrated, like Lemlist, Phantom Buster, Wallaxy, EvaBoot, Catendata, Lagros Machine. Allow you to enrich directly your contacts in it. And you can also use the API with the post and get requests. Drop Contact works as a subscription basis without commitment and flexible, so you can adjust your credit quota according to your need each month. So here there are the different plans you can choose. And then here you can find the CRM offer and the pricing following your number of contacts in your CRM. Now you know all about Drop Contact, so you can test the solution even or in CRM integration or on the application. and don't hesitate to contact our supports. Bye!